why does a contractor pretty much just scam you and tell you that this pipe is so much better than this pipe? And as you can see, I just showed you. Stomp on it one time. Look what happened. It just smashes. Stomp on this one. Same thing. Why does a contractor scam you and try to charge you more for something that works exactly the same? This is the yellow pipe. This is a Bachmann tile. Can you see how smashed that is right there? Let's take a look. Yeah, you can really see it now. Look how smashed that is. That's just totally collapsed. Totally collapsed. If that man ever walked on my property, I'd call the police.